What if one smart idea could change your money future forever? Imagine starting a business that fits your busy American life. The year 2026 brings fresh chances for everyone. You can build extra income without quitting your daily job. Many regular people like you succeed with new ideas now. This video shares simple business plans for the coming year. We keep everything easy so even teens can follow along. Get ready for positive steps that bring real money results. Let us explore exciting opportunities waiting in 2026. Your first step starts with an open mind and curiosity. Trend number 1 involves helping people stay healthy at home. Many Americans want easy ways to eat better every day. You could create healthy meal kits for busy families now. People love food that saves time and tastes really good. Start small by testing recipes with friends in your area. Use simple packaging that looks nice and stays fresh long. Market your kits through local social media groups for free. Customers will return because your meals make life easier. Track orders with a basic notebook at first each week. This idea can grow into steady income within 6 months. Trend number 2 focuses on helping the planet stay clean. Americans care more about products that reduce daily waste now. Create reusable bags and containers from recycled, safe materials. Sell them at local markets where families shop every weekend. Show customers how these items save money over many years. Partner with nearby stores for easy display and quick sales. Use bright colors so your products catch happy shopper eyes. Share simple stories about nature benefits with every buyer. Expand online once local customers spread positive word about you. This green business brings both profit and personal satisfaction daily. Artificial intelligence helps small businesses work smarter than before. You do not need tech skills to use these helpful tools. Offer simple AI services like chat helpers for local shops. Train the tool with basic questions your clients often ask. Charge monthly fees that fit small business owner budgets well. Many stores want faster replies without hiring extra full-time staff. Start by practicing on your own small side project first. Demonstrate results with clear examples from everyday customer talks. This service grows fast because businesses see quick, positive changes. Keep learning free online videos to improve your helpful offerings. Pet care continues growing as more families welcome furry friends. Create custom treats using ingredients safe for different pet needs. Parents treat pets like important family members every single day. Sell online or at weekend pet events near your hometown. Share cute stories about happy pets enjoying your special snacks. Test small batches and ask neighbors for honest feedback first. Package treats in fun bags that make owners smile widely. This idea turns love for animals into reliable monthly earnings. Expand to grooming tips or simple training guides next year. Americans spend billions on pets, so demand stays very strong. Many seniors want easy technology help in their daily routines. Offer patient lessons on phones, tablets, and basic computer tasks. Teach one skill at a time during short, friendly visits. Charge fair hourly rates that respect their fixed monthly incomes. Create simple guide sheets with large, clear printed instructions. Word spreads quickly when seniors share success with their friends. Focus on patience and encouragement during every single lesson. This business fills a real need in many neighborhoods now. Schedule appointments around your own regular work hours easily. Build trust first, then watch your client list grow steadily. Home organization helps busy families reduce daily stress levels. Offer services sorting closets, kitchens, and kids' play spaces nicely. Show before and after pictures to excited potential customers. Use affordable storage solutions available at common discount stores. Charge per room so families can start with small budgets. Many parents feel overwhelmed after long workdays and school activities. Market through parent groups at local schools and sports fields. deliver calm, organized spaces that improve family happiness quickly. This service creates repeat customers who recommend you proudly. Turn your natural neatness talent into profitable, helpful work. Electric vehicle support becomes bigger as more cars hit roads. Provide mobile charging help or basic maintenance for new owners. Offers simple guides about saving money on electricity costs. Partner with local garages for referral business every month. Create fun, educational videos about caring for electric vehicles. Many drivers feel nervous about their first electric car experience. Your calm explanations build confidence and loyal customer relationships. Sell small accessories that make daily driving more convenient. Stay updated with free news about new vehicle models coming. This future-focused idea positions you ahead of many others. Personalized gifts remain popular for birthdays and special holidays. Use simple tools to create custom shirts, mugs, or photo books. Focus on themes like sports, family hobbies, or funny jokes. Sell at craft fairs or through easy online store setups. Customers love items made especially for their loved ones. Keep designs simple so production stays fast and affordable. Share customer happy stories to attract more orders quickly. This creative business lets you work from home comfortably. Expand by adding seasonal items throughout the busy calendar year. Many Americans enjoy giving meaningful presents that show real thought. Online tutoring helps students improve grades in core subjects. Focus on math, reading, or basic science skills for kids. Schedule short sessions after school or during weekend mornings. Use free video tools that families already know well. Charge reasonable rates that fit average household monthly budgets. Track student progress with simple charts parents appreciate seeing. Many parents seek extra help after tough school years. Build reputation through positive reviews from satisfied families. This business grows naturally as word spreads among neighbors. Help young people gain confidence while earning good side income. Sustainable fashion encourages buying clothes that last much longer. Create repair services or custom alterations for existing garments. Teach simple sewing skills through short, friendly workshop classes. Source materials from local thrift stores to keep costs low. Many shoppers want quality without spending high store prices. Promote benefits like saving money and reducing clothing waste. Offer subscription boxes with mix-match wardrobe suggestions. This idea appeals to environmentally conscious American families. Start small by serving friends, then expand your reach gradually. Fashion trends change, but quality basics stay popular always. Mental wellness products help people manage daily life pressures. Develop simple journals, planners, or calming activity kits. Sell through local bookstores or community wellness events. Share easy techniques that fit into busy work schedules. Many Americans search for natural ways to feel more balanced. Use positive, encouraging language in all your product descriptions. Package items with bright colors that lift customer moods. Offer bundle deals that provide better overall value. This growing market welcomes new, helpful creators every year. Your caring approach builds strong, loyal customer connections. Delivery services for fresh local produce stay in demand. Partner with nearby farms for weekly basket subscriptions. Focus on convenient timing that matches family dinner routines. Use simple apps to manage orders and delivery routes. Many people want healthier food without long grocery trips. Highlight freshness and support for American farmers proudly. Offer recipe cards with each delivery for easy meals. This business model creates steady, predictable monthly revenue. Scale up by adding pantry staples over time gradually. Customers appreciate saving time while eating better daily. Smart home setup services help families use new devices. Explain basic functions in plain, everyday language clearly. Install lights, thermostats, and security cameras safely. Many homeowners feel confused by too many tech options. Charge flat fees for complete room or whole house packages. Follow up with quick support calls when needed later. Demonstrate energy savings to show long-term money benefits. This service combines technology with practical home comfort. Market to new house buyers in your growing local area. Stay current by testing popular gadgets yourself first. Hobby-based subscription boxes bring joy every single month. Create boxes for knitting, fishing, reading, or gardening fans. Include instructions and all materials needed for projects. Many adults seek fun activities after long work weeks. Choose themes based on popular interests in your region. Ship packages with exciting surprise elements inside each one. Build community through online groups where customers share results. This model encourages repeat business throughout the whole year. Start with one hobby, then expand to others later. Customers feel excited when their special box arrives. Language learning for travelers or new job opportunities grows. Offer short, practical conversation classes for common situations. Focus on Spanish or other useful languages in your state. Use games and real-life roleplay during lessons. Many Americans plan international trips or work changes soon. Keep classes small for personal attention and better results. Provide simple practice recordings for home review later. Celebrate student progress with fun certificates or rewards. This business connects cultures while creating good income. Demand increases as global connections become more common. Now review the main points from our business discussion today. Pick one idea that matches your skills and local needs. Start very small to test demand without big risks. Track your money carefully using basic free tracking tools. Learn from mistakes and adjust your plans as needed. Stay positive because consistent effort brings real success. Connect with other new business owners for mutual support. Market honestly by showing genuine benefits to customers. 2026 offers more opportunities than ever before. Your dedication can create financial freedom for your family. Thank you for watching this complete guide on new ideas. Subscribe to our channel for more simple money advice. Hit the like button if you feel inspired right now. Comment below which business idea excites you most today. Share this video with friends who want extra income too. Start planning your first steps this very same week. Remember, small actions lead to big positive changes later. You have everything needed to succeed in your journey. Believe in yourself and take that important first step. Your brighter financial future begins with action right now.